Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue many of you may have faced with your HP ScanJet Enterprise Flow 7000S3 scanner, the dreaded paper error. If you've ever experienced frustration when your scanner stops working due to a paper jam or misfeed, you're not alone. In this video, I'll guide you through the troubleshooting process step by step. If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support. Steps to resolve paper error in HP ScanJet Enterprise Flow 7000S3. Verify the paper error. Before fixing the scanner, make sure to verify the paper error one more time so that you can clearly observe the issue. Turn off the scanner. Turn off the scanner and unplug it to avoid any electrical damage. Remove old rollers and pickup rollers. Carefully remove the old rollers and pickup rollers. This may require specific tools or can be done by hand. Install new rollers. Install the new rollers and pickup rollers in their appropriate places. Ensure they are securely and correctly positioned. Turn on and test the scanner. Plug the scanner back in and turn it on. Perform a test scan to ensure the paper error is resolved.